Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your money from Polymarket into your own crypto wallet. The process is pretty straightforward, but you'll want to follow each step carefully, so you don't run into issues, so let's get started. When you're ready to withdraw, first enter the amount of USDC you want to take out. Once you've entered the amount, click on Start Withdrawal. At this point, do not close the window. You'll need to wait while your withdrawal request is processed, after your request is approved. And there's a mandatory waiting period of about 6 hours before you can actually move your funds. So just be patient and come back later. Once the 6 hours have passed, you'll see an option that says, Here, click on that to initiate your withdrawal. Next, hit Continue, and then click Claim. Make sure you have enough ETH in your wallet to cover the network fees. This is really important, because if you don't have enough ETH, the transaction won't go through. Now, enter the withdrawal address where you'd like to send your USDC. This could be your personal crypto wallet or an exchange wallet. Double check that address carefully to avoid mistakes. Once everything looks good, click Send, and that's it. Your USDC will now be on its way to the wallet you specified. Just remember, transactions depend on Ethereum network times, so it may take a few minutes before your funds arrive. So there you go. That's how you withdraw money from Polymarket. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments. If you want me to cover more Polymarket or DeFi tutorials,